Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
In today's episode, we continue to enjoy everything aboard Icon of the Seas, including breakfast at Coastal Kitchen, lunch at the Windjammer, Inaugural swag, Dueling Pianos, and finishing the evening with the rock band Phoenix. So come along as we take you aboard Icon of the Seas.
Good morning, navigators. It is Nate, and all by myself this morning. We are in St. Thomas today. Having a little breakfast this morning at Coastal Kitchen. Haven't tried that out today, so I just ordered myself some eggs Benedict. Anyways, plan for today is, well, I'm going to go out and finish up the rest of the ship tour that Colleen and I have been working on. Did filming yesterday for about 2.5, 3 hours, and maybe got 60% of the ship done. It's a big ship, guys. It's a big ship, so there's a lot to cover. And we're just gonna see where the day takes us. So again, I'm gonna have a quick breakfast, bite to eat, and then I'm gonna get out of here and do some filming. All right, keep it right there. Delicious breakfast at Coastal Kitchen. The one thing too, on top of sit-down breakfast, they also have a wonderful breakfast buffet, which I will give you a sneak peek of right now. Super nice and quiet in here. That's the one thing. I think last night for dinner was like the busiest it's been in here. Other than that, I don't know where all the sweet guests go and hide out at night. I think they're going somewhere else. And the morning as well too. You can see it's dead quiet behind me. Here's this buffet. One of the other things I should mention about staying in the suites is behind me there is the concierge desk. And the thing about the concierge desk is they can take care of almost everything for you on the ship. That includes reservations, answering questions. If you book a suite here on Royal Caribbean, about a week or so before you arrive, they will reach out to you. We were able to leverage them to make all of our dining reservations here at Coastal Kitchen, along with moving around some of our show time so we could get the perfect show time for our trip. So again, just another benefit of staying here in the suites. But I really got to get out of here and get some filming done. So later, navigators. Well, look who I found here.
Good morning, navigators. Maybe good afternoon, where I think it's probably almost lunchtime. You know, I got to keep with my track record of I am not the morning person. So I know Nate has taken you around the ship and told you that we were actually in gorgeous St. Thomas today, but it's a pretty quick port. Nate says we're departing around like 1:30, so we're just gonna stay on the ship. I think right now I'm getting a little hungry.
And before we go, so what contributed, do you think, to your wonderful sleep last night?
So with the suite, you can actually select from different pillow types from a pillow menu. I think Nate showed you on day one embarkation. And so I was having a little soreness in the back of my neck, and honestly at home I use a little Tempur-Pedic type of pillow. So I requested one, and perfect night's sleep, and the pain in my neck is gone. So highly recommend, if you're particular to the type of pillow and you're staying in the suites, take advantage of it. It's worth it.
So Colleen, you want to share a secret with everybody?
I will. So we were just about to hop in the elevator, and the suite concierge came over and had a secret surprise for us. So tomorrow at 1:30, we're going to meet, I think she said deck 11? 12, thank God Nate listens. And we get a tour of the bridge. So we won't be able to take you by video, but we will be able to take some photos. So we'll take you along for the ride. Really, really excited. What a treat.
Ship tour is officially filmed. We give you a little sneak peek here, or actually maybe it's not a sneak peek because you might have already seen it, but snuck into the Empire Supper Club. Looks like a beautiful venue. Unfortunately, we won't be making it this time as we were not able to secure a reservation, but that is how the cookie crumbles and always gives us an excuse to come back next time. I think right now, though, we are going to hit the Park Cafe because this one has had no breakfast this morning.
Some food would be good.
Some food would be good. All right, so keep it right there. Set sail time, as Colleen mentioned, is 1:30 from St. Thomas today. Again, we're just going to be enjoying a leisurely afternoon here aboard Icon of the Seas.
So when you enter into the Windjammer, they now have kind of designated seating for folks in wheelchairs. So there's actually the designated handicap symbol placard that they put on all the tables, and kind of right near like the front, so you don't have to really wheel way into the Windjammer to actually get a great seat. So nice job, Royal Caribbean.
So we just had a delicious lunch at the Windjammer. Got here a bit early before the rush, which is always nice, and I had my cruise hamburger, which is a must for every single cruise. And now we are going to head to Sprinkles, because what is a cruise without soft serve? And on this ship, they have multiple Sprinkles throughout the ship, so you can get soft serve all over the place. Right, enough talking, time for soft serve. How's your soft serve?
Very good.
And I'm going to enjoy myself a little soft serve right now. Lovely day here. So many vloggers on this cruise though. We just saw again Ben and David, but we've seen 3 vloggers today, 4 vloggers. So again, if you can't find content, I don't know where you're looking. Colleen, what do we have today for the gift of the day?
Oh God, more swag. So let's see. It says, raise the bar and experience Empire Supper Club from home with this exclusive cocktail making toolkit. So there's a recipe for the New York sour recipe. It's like there's some bullet bourbon whiskey, lemon juice, simple syrup, egg whites, and claret wine. And this is from the beverage director.
All right, let's take a look here. Oh, it's like, oh, this is nice.
Oh, wow.
You want to open that up?
Yeah. Nice little shake. Oh, it's
Unwrap.
got an E on it for Empire.
The Empire Supper Club.
Nice. And we've got kind of all the accoutrements for the top of the shaker.
Yeah.
Oh,
there's more.
Like, it's like a mixology bag on the go.
So I guess now I can just bring this card. I'll bring it to Joel, the bartender, and say, Joel, make me one of these. Ooh, the egg whites. Joel's gonna be like, no, I'm not making you that. So we are gonna get freshened up real quick, and we're gonna head on up to the Suites Sun Deck and chill out for the rest of the afternoon. So we'll bring you along. Some more chillin' here on Icon. All right, Con, what did you get yourself there?
I got myself a strawberry daiquiri because it's a perfect cruise drink.
Well, what's that other one behind it? You have two. You have like 4 drinks over there.
They are not all mine. So I do have a Diet Coke, and then Nate has the banana daiquiri and the other Diet Coke.
Guys, for the record, Colleen is double fisting drinks, or as they call it in the UK, double parking drinks. I learned that a few months ago. Anyways, we're sitting out here. Sailaway should be any time now, though I will say we called it today. I think there may be some pier runners. So I heard some names called out over the overcom, and it's currently 2:07. And we were supposed to leave at 1:30. So that tells me there might still be someone on shore over there, but we'll just have to wait around and see. But for right now, I think we're just gonna chill out, and Colleen's gonna enjoy her 2 daiquiris and 2 Diet Cokes, and I'm gonna stick to water because I'm being very good on this cruise. So I can't make this stuff up. The second time in St. Thomas, well, it's not our second time in St. Thomas, but the second time we've been in St. Thomas where people back to the ship late got a police escort. So it must be a thing in St. Thomas. If you're running late to the ship, I don't know, do you call the ship? Do you call the police? But I think the police, as Colleen called it out, purposely like to put the sirens on to really make sure everyone on the ship knows that you're back to the ship. So my advice, if you're in St. Thomas, don't be late back to the ship, or everybody will know. Beautiful Sailaway here today in St. Thomas. Colleen's back here. She's talking to her mom. Shout out to Mom McGurdy. And if you love your mom, shout her out in the comments down below. Tell her how much you love her. Your mom also wants you to give this video a thumbs up, and your mom wants you to subscribe to our channel. Just an FYI. Sailaway today in St. Thomas. We had a little Escort alongside of us, shooting up some water. A little celebration. Also, Sweet Deck's amazing. They just handed out ice cream. We already had ice cream once today, but they were just going around handing out even more ice cream. So you have to have double ice cream in the suites area. It's actually mandatory of all suites guests. It was in the safety briefing before we got on the ship. So we've now completed our 2 daily ice creams. So we are now safe to sail for the rest of the trip. Tonight, I think we're going to try to check out Phoenix, which will be exciting. And then tomorrow's the sea day, and then we're going to be heading to Perfect Day at Coco Cay, checking out the new Hideaway Beach area. That's the adults only area. One day at a time. One day at a time. We still have, what we got, today, tomorrow, and the next day after that. I don't even know what days of the week it is anymore, but keep it right there. I'm going to keep showing you everything there is to do here on Icon of the Seas. Absolutely amazing ship, and just a great, fantastic time. I can't say enough wonderful things about the staff and about the crew here. How was your nap?
My nap was lovely, and I did nap. Starting to get a little chilly though. I don't know why, but Nate felt the need to go put sunblock on. It is gray, overcast, and slight drizzle. Yeah, it has been a nice, relaxing day. I actually got to catch up with my mom on Facebook Messenger, so that was nice. And Nate brought over a little chocolate Magnum sweet treat in the afternoon. But it was just nice just to get my legs up and actually not have any sun out.
Evening, navigators. So Colleen is getting ready right now. I am just sitting here down at the Pearl, getting a little caffeine fix going on. This is quickly becoming my favorite place in the ship. Big upgrade over Cafe Promenade that you may have been used to on other Royal ships. Just with the huge windows, tons of seating. As I called out in another video, power outlets, really, it's kind of a vlogger's paradise down here. Caffeine, power, views. I'm going to join this coffee, and then we're going to grab Colleen. We're going to hit the town. It's white night tonight, so everyone's going to have I'm going to see some really great white outfits on so far. So excited to see what other guests are going to be wearing this evening. So a little bit of editing done. Not really editing, more like organizing files, but there was this cool little shop that I had found up by Playmakers. I think the shops are open now. I was looking for a souvenir shirt. I didn't quite see anything in the regular gift shop that I liked, so I think I've got enough time to bounce up there before Colleen is ready to see about getting me some swag. So I found a baseball cap, but if I get another baseball cap, Colleen's going to murder me. So I think I'm going to pass on the baseball cap. But I did find this nice little Vineyard Vines shirt here. I think that would look nice on me. Why don't I keep looking around? All right, Michael Bailey, you got some more of my money. I'm gonna have to buy some stock now to get some of it back. Mission accomplished. Got the shirt. Head back. I gotta get cleaned up, grab Colleen, and head out to dinner. All right, let's go.
Good evening, navigators. So tonight is white night, so you'll have to check out Nate and I, but we are decked out in our whites and looking forward to again participating in one of Royal Caribbean's theme evenings. But we've all cleaned up, and now we're ready to head off to Coastal Kitchen for again a fantastic dinner in the suite dining area. So come along and we'll see where the evening takes us. Pink beverage and all white clothes. It's very good. I'm literally not going to take my eyes off of it because I'm afraid my hand is going to tilt and I'm going to be wearing the pink Cosmo on my white pants.
And like Colleen's pink Cosmo, I am pink as well too, because someone said I didn't need sunscreen, but luckily I did get some sunscreen today because it was cloudy. But anyways, cheers to you, navigators.
All right, navigators, we had a fantastic dinner once again at Coastal Kitchen in the suite area. I think where we're gonna head next is actually down to the casino. So we are not gamblers, but we are interested in maybe seeing Chris Wong and saying hello and meeting him, and maybe a quick little, 2-second little blurb with him on our YouTube channel. So let's see if we can find him. Why don't you come along? Let's see. All right, we looked for Chris Wong. We went up and down, all around, no dice.
My theory might be that we have a sea day tomorrow, so they might be shifting, shifts. So maybe during the day tomorrow we might have good luck if we want to go find them. So sorry, Chris, if we missed you. Hopefully we'll find you. If not, thanks for all your vlogs.
Can you guys stand up for my daughter, please? I cannot thank you for your love and decency. God bless.
Daryl, I need your help. Come on up here. You guys, I need you to help me sing happy birthday to Daryl. Clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap.
So we just watched some wonderful dueling pianos. Excellent venue. I think Royal may have underestimated the popularity of this venue, which is kind of surprising because if you've ever been, if you're from the Boston area, you grew up with Jake Ivory's and you knew how popular that venue was. So of course, dueling pianos on a cruise ship is going to be very, very popular. And the other thing is we're not at full capacity. So I think Star of the Seas, Michael Bailey, if you're listening, make the dueling piano, I don't know, what are you going to go with, 40% bigger? Like 50. 50% bigger on Stars of the Seas because this has been a very, very popular venue. But we're just gonna sip our drinks for a moment and then we're gonna head down in the music hall so we can get good seats for Phoenix. Sound good? That is going to do it for this evening. Phoenix was awesome, and now they're actually playing some good dance music for a change, so I'm heading back to the room. Gonna put the camera up. Colleen and I are gonna do a whole bunch of dancing tonight. Tomorrow is a sea day, and typically we don't film, well, on our last sea day. We actually take it and enjoy it as a vacation, so the next time you see us, we'll be heading to Perfect Day at Coco Cay, heading to the new Hideaway Bay, showing you everything there is to know about this new adult playground on Coco Cay. So again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and again, remember to navigate your world.